Paying homage to trendy modern cafes, the eccentric blend of Sushian and Rodney's beloved urban features were brewed together to create a snazzy modern industrial home that reflects their fervent love for coffee and all things industrial.
Ronnie and I expressed our fondness for particular trendy interior elements that are commonly found in modern industrial cafes. We gave our interior designer, Colette from the Interior Lab, the creative liberty to piece these elements together and form the perfect puzzle that will be our first home as a couple.
Little pockets of cozy nooks are carved out to create a casual modern cafe look that oozes a vibrant and youthful yet cozy ambience. Cement screed blankets the interior, while a daringly exposed brick wall accentuates the open communal space, as the iconic hallmarks of modern industrial are sensibly infused into the abode.
Our interior designer suggested having a semi-open concept look for our home office, in which Ronnie and I could engage in our personal activities while being visually connected within the communal space.
Tucked behind a quaint barnyard door, a distinctive juxtaposition is created using two contrasting color schemes for the two bathrooms. Hexagonal patterns imbue the bathrooms with a quirky geometric shape that is further highlighted by abstract ambience lightings.
Transiting to the sleeping area, our master bedroom that takes on the snugly cabin-like appearance is fitted with various wooden storage features for functional living. At the end of the arduous yet meaningful renovation journey, we now have our own cozy cafe where we can lounge in comfort and host coffee chill-out sessions with our friends and family. The final look of our home was certainly worth going the extra mile and the huge investments made. This homey sanctuary will always be our safe refuge where we look forward to returning and recharging after a long day.